Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good morning, ladies and gents. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear followers. We are here today in the second classes École au Sénégal to tackle a new lesson about word building. I think this is our last lesson in the program of second, and after we are going to do only exercises and text studies. So this lesson is very important because it helps students to know how words are built in English, and it also helps them to have some vocabularies. Okay, so it is a very important lesson. So building a word is to add a prefix before or a suffix after the root. Okay, so you have the root, what we say radical in French, and from the radical you add a prefix or you add a suffix, okay, to have the meaning of a word. If you want to build an adjective, a noun, for example, an adverb, you see, you have to add or a prefix or a suffix to have the grammatical meaning of the word. Okay, so let us see different form of prefixes. We have many forms of prefix. We have the prefix dis, start with dis, the prefix il, el, the prefix er, ear. You have the prefix in, the prefix miss, okay, the prefix over, the prefix the prefix okay, and on, the prefix under, the prefix in, and the prefix im. So I think I have written im twice, so this is im. Let us say im here, and we raise this im. So this is it. We have this, il, ear, in, miss, over, under, and im. So these are not the only prefixes in English, but we just take these, some of them, to show you how it works. Okay, so let us take example of this. We have this as a prefix. It goes with words like appear. You have appear as the verb, so we say disappear. You see, advantage, we say disadvantage. Like, you say dislike. You see? So this is for this. So these words just help you to see how we build a word from a prefix. You have the prefix il, legal, adjective, we say illegal. If you add a prefix, you will have illegal. You have licit, if you add a prefix il, you will have illicit. The prefix ir, regular, you will have irregular, okay, responsible, irresponsible, relevant, irrelevant, okay. you can also have realistic, irrealistic, realize, irrealize. Okay, you have the prefix in. Sure, to ensure somebody. Okay, adequate, inadequate. Also, audible, inaudible. The prefix miss. Okay, you have miss. If you add miss, you will have the contrary of the word. For example, you have understand. To understand is a positive. When you say misunderstand, is the contrary of understand. So you have understand, misunderstand, behavior, okay, misbehavior. Lead, to lead something, okay, to lead, gérer, diriger. Mislead, okay, agree, disagree. Okay, so we miss, you have the contrary, the opposite of the word, the antonym, as we said. Okay, it is a case of responsible, of ill also, and this. We have the contrary of the word, but grammatically, most of the time, the word is still the same. Okay, the word is still the same in grammatically speaking. Okay, you take the example of understand. To understand, we say to understand, to misunderstand. This is a verb, and this also is a verb. Okay, that's it. You have the prefix over. Over. Okay, you have achieve, overachieved. Okay, act, overact, analyze, overanalyze. You see? So you have also a prefix N. Example, courage, courage, a noun. Encourage, a verb. You have danger, adjective. In danger, a verb. Able, enable, able adjective, enable, a verb. You see? So you have the prefix un. Balance, to balance. To balance means équilibré. To balance, verbs, unbalance. So you have certain, uncertain, okay, certain, uncertain, balance, unbalance. So this is the way you use the prefix un. The prefix under. Under, estimation, a noun, underestimation. You can say estimate, underestimate also, which are verbs. Develop, underdeveloped, development, underdevelopment, ground, underground. You see? So all these are the prefixes that go with these words. You have the prefix im. Im, you have possible, you say impossible. Mature, immature. Okay? Measurable, immeasurable. Okay, so these are some ways we use the prefixes, and we have just taken these examples to show you how it works. So the rest of the work will be done by you, your research, and your learning. Okay, you can find many other kind of prefix in your learning and in your research. Thank you for that. So the next step, we are going to see the suffixes, how we build the suffix.
La 3W suffit d'école au Sénégal.